we are having question now, integration of dx upon 1 minus 3x minus 9x square. Now this can be written as minus 1 upon 9 dx upon x square plus 3 upon 9x minus 1 upon 9. Remember, try to take always x square, coefficient of x square as in positive terms. Okay. So I have taken minus 9 as a common. So I have written as minus on the numerator side. So minus 1 upon 9, 9 was taken common from the denominator. Now this becomes minus 1 by 9 dx upon x square plus 1 by 3x minus 1 by 9. 3 by 9x becomes 1 by 3. Or now this can be written as minus 1 by 9 integration of dx upon x square plus 1 by 3x plus, now what we are going to do, we have to add half coefficient of x. Half coefficient of x is 1 by 3 whole square. So what it becomes, 1 by 6 whole square is 1 by 36. So 1 by 36 minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 36. Sorry. Now minus 1 by 9 dx upon, now what this becomes, 1, it is x plus 1 by 6 whole square. Now minus, now this, if there is any type of a calculation, first of all you can solve it. Okay. So now this becomes, we are minus taking common, we are having 1 by 9 plus 1 by 36. Now what is the LCM is the 36. So 4 plus 1, now we are having 5 upon 36. Okay. Now this becomes minus 1 by 9 dx upon x plus 1 by 6 whole square minus root 5 by 6 whole square. Now let x plus 1 by 6 is equal to t differentiating with respect to x dx is equal to dt. Now the question reduces to minus 1 by 9 integration of dt upon t square minus root 5 by 6 whole square. Now what we are having, the formula what we are going to use is, now the question is minus 1 upon 9 integration of dt upon t square minus root 5 upon 6 whole square. Now always write the formula, so there will be two good things when you are writing a formula. Number one, the question cannot be wrong, and number two, you will learn the formulas. Okay. So now we are having integration of dx upon, it is x square minus a square is equal to 1 upon 2a log mod of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Okay. So always write the formulas. Now it becomes minus 1 by 9 into 1 upon 2 into log into a, sorry, root 5 upon 6, that is a is root 5 upon 6. Okay. Log mod of Now we are having t minus root 5 upon 6 upon t plus root 5 upon 6 plus c. Okay, so now this becomes, this cancels. Now we are having minus 1 upon, now 2 3 and it becomes 3 root 5, 3 root 5 log (60 minus root 5) upon 60 plus root 5 plus c, and this is equal to minus 1 upon 3 root 5 log, what is t? T is x plus 1 by 6. So 6 in the bracket x plus 1 upon 6 minus root 5 upon 6 x plus 1 upon 6 plus root 5 plus c. This is the answer. So like this we can systematically move to solve the question.